The National Weather Service in Oklahoma City has issued a tornado warning for Cleveland, Creek, Lincoln, Oklahoma, and Tulsa County until 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm rotating strongly. This storm was located 80 miles northwest of Norman and moving northeast towards Tulsa. This storm will be near Oklahoma City at 5:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, Chandler at 6:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, Sapulpa 7:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, and Tulsa at 7:47 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you are in your home, get into the basement or lowest level of your home immediately, stay away from windows, and try to cover your head to avoid flying debris. If caught outdoors, look for the nearest ditch, get into it and cover your head to avoid flying debris as well.